Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today we are going to be taking a look at the benefits of zinc-plated fasteners. When choosing fasteners, the right coating can make all the difference. Here are a few reasons why zinc-plated fasteners are a great choice. Reason 1. Corrosion resistance. Zinc plating provides a protective barrier against moisture and oxidation, helping prevent rust and extending the lifespan of your fasteners. Cost effectiveness. Compared to stainless steel or other coatings, zinc-plated fasteners offer excellent protection at a lower cost, making them a budget-friendly choice. Zinc plating not only protects metal underneath, but also makes the fastener stronger and adds resistance to wear and tear in tough environments. With a smooth, bright, and clean finish, zinc-plated fasteners blend well with different materials and offer a polished, professional look. So, with corrosion resistance, affordability, durability, and more, zinc-plated fasteners are a smart choice for countless applications. To learn more about zinc-plated fasteners, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we will see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.